friends. Are you ready to ditch the toxic stuff under your sink and embrace simple, natural swaps that actually work? This is where my toxin-free journey began, right here, by switching out harmful chemicals for DIYs that I made with essential oils. And today I'm sharing my top 5 go-to recipes that are super effective, budget-friendly, and ridiculously easy to make. Did you know most convenient cleaners are packed with chemicals that can mess with your hormones, irritate your skin, and pollute your indoor air? No, thank you. But the great news is you can make your own with just a few ingredients and feel good about what you're using in your home. Here's my first DIY recipe. It's an all-purpose cleaner. Ingredients include 1 cup distilled water, 1 cup white vinegar, 10 drops of lemon essential oil, and 10 of tea tree essential oil. Now, this is my go-to all-purpose spray. It's great for counters, sinks, and even bathroom surfaces. Lemon cuts grease, and tea tree is a natural antimicrobial. The DIY recipe number 2, glass and mirror cleaner. Ingredients include 2 cups distilled water, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, 5 drops peppermint or lemon essential oil. Now, it's a great streak-free sparkling cleaner. Plus, it smells so much better than that stuff with ammonia. And then DIY recipe number 3, tub and tile scrub. Ingredients include a 1/2 cup baking soda, a 1/4 cup Castile soap, and 10 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Now, this one works like a charm in the shower or tub. Eucalyptus is fresh and powerful. It's great for deep cleaning grime. And then DIY recipe number 4, carpet and mattress refresher. Ingredients include 1 cup baking soda, 10 drops lavender or purified blend essential oil, and then sprinkle it on the surface and let it set for 15 minutes. Then vacuum up. Say goodbye to funky smells. This is one of my favorite hacks before guests arrive or anytime your home needs a refresh. And then final DIY recipe number 5, toilet bowl bombs. Ingredients include a 1/2 cup baking soda, a 1/4 cup citric acid, and 1 tablespoon water, 10 drops of lemongrass or tea tree essential oil. So mix the ingredients together and then place in a mold. Let dry overnight. Then you drop 1 of the balls in the toilet, watch it fizz, and give it a quick scrub. It's actually kind of fun. Or as my grandchildren would say, so satisfying. So there you have it, 5 easy DIYs that helped me make the switch to cleaner, safer living. Not only are these recipes simple and effective, they smell amazing and cost way less than the store-bought version. If this has inspired you, let me know which one you're excited to try first in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more toxin-free tips, and share this video with a friend who's ready to kick harmful cleaners to the curb. Let's clean house the healthy way.